Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Bailey, your patient coordinator here at MediPocket USA. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fill out our online medical intake form step by step. You can see the form on the screen right now. Completing this form accurately and thoroughly before your appointment is really important. It helps us understand your health needs better and ensures your consultation is as efficient and productive as possible. So let's get started. First, make sure you're on the correct page, MediPocketUSA.com medical intake form. It's a good idea to have some information handy before you begin, like your insurance details, a list of any current medications, and any key dates related to your medical history. Make sure you're on the correct page, MediPocketUSA. First, please enter your full name accurately as it appears on your identification or insurance card. Then you need to mention if you are filling this form for yourself or for your family member. Now let's move on to the contact information section. This is crucial so we can reach you regarding your appointments and care. Please enter your primary email address. We'll use this for communications, so double check for any typos. Then your date of birth. Please use the format shown, usually month, day, and year. Select your gender from the options provided. We also need your height and weight, so make sure to fill this section. We offer the mentioned services from the top USA hospitals, so please select any one of them which you require. If you have a specialist or a specific hospital in mind, then fill in the next section. As per your perspective in this area, please describe the main reason you are seeking medical attention with MediPocket USA. For example, are you here for a new problem, a follow-up, or a general checkup? If you are experiencing symptoms, please describe them. Include details like, what are your symptoms? When did they start? How severe are they? Is there anything that makes them better or worse? Next, we need your medical reports or documents that can help our physicians understand your condition thoroughly. We need as much as reports as possible. Lastly, please let us know what questions you may have for our USA specialists who will be consulting you soon. Any questions or doubts you have will be promptly answered. Fantastic. Before you click that submit button, please take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered on the entire form. After you submit the form, you should see a confirmation message on your screen. You might also receive if we have any questions about the information you provided or if there are any immediate next steps. We will contact you using the phone number or email you gave us. If you encounter any difficulties while filling out this form, or if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact MediPocket USA at +1606-626-312 or email us at health@mymedipocket.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to accurately complete your MediPocket USA medical intake form.